Good morning, F2, and welcome to today's math lesson. Have a think. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's find the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday, it was Wednesday. So what day is it today? If you said Thursday, you're right. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Well done. Today we're going to warm up our brains by finding one more again. But this time we're going to use Numicon to help us. Find your Numicon pieces from your home learning pack. Pause the video while you do that, then come back and we will get started. Okay, let's read the sentence first. It says, 1 more than 4 is... So first I need 4. Then I will add 1 more. And now, if I use this Numicon piece to help me, I can see that I have 5. You can either put your Numicon piece on top to check, or you could put it next to it. So that helps me to know that 1 more than 4 is 5. Now it's your turn. Have a look at these 2 questions. Pause the video while you do that, then come back and we'll check them together. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. It says 1 more than 0 is. Now remember, 0 means nothing. It means that we don't have anything at all. So here is a 0. Nothing there. Then I'm going to add 1 more. How many do I have all together? That's right. I have 1. That tells me that 1 more than 0 is 1. Well done if you got that right. This one says 1 more than 3 is... So first I need 3. Then I add 1 more. And now I have 4. That tells me that 1 more than 3 is 4. Well done if you got that right. Now have a go at the questions on this side. Pause the video while you do that, then come back and we'll check it together. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. It says 1 more than 2 is... So here is 2. First I need 2. Then I add 1 more. And now I have 3. Well done. Let's see. So that helps us to know that 1 more than 2 is 3. Well done if you got that right. Okay, let's have a look at the last one. It says 1 more than 6 is... So here I have 6. Let me just change the colours so that you can see it. There we are. We can see it a little bit more clearly now. So first I have 6. Then I add 1 more. And now I have 7. That tells me that 1 more than 6 is 7. Well done if you got that right. Today we're going to continue using the positional language on, in and under. Today we're going to be searching for some treasure. Before we get started, let's remind ourselves of our position words, their symbols and the actions that help us to remember what they mean. So the first one is in. The symbol shows us that the red circle is in the square. Can you remember our action for in? Let's do it together. In. The next word is on. The symbol shows us that the red circle is on the square. Can you remember the action for on? Let's do it together. On. And the last one is under. The red circle is under the square. Can you remember the action for under? Let's do it together. Under. Well done. So here are some of the places that we are going to be looking today. Let's just make sure that you know what they're all called, and that will make it easier for us to concentrate on our positional language. Don't worry if there are some that you haven't seen before. You can always stop the video and rewind it and listen to those words again until you're really sure of what they are called. Are you ready? So my turn, then your turn. Pond. Lily. Rock. Bridge. Plant. Fantastic. If you want to go over those words again, rewind the video and listen to them one more time. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, where is the treasure? Is it in the bridge? Is it on the bridge? Or is it under the bridge? Where is the treasure? That's right, it's under the bridge. Here it is. What about this time? Where is the treasure? Here we have a rock. Is the treasure in the rock? Is it on the rock? Or is it under the rock? Where is the treasure? That's right. The treasure is on the rock. Well done. Have a look at this one. This time we have our green plant. But where is the treasure? Is it in the plant? Is it on the plant? Or is it under the plant? Where is the treasure? That's right. It's on the plant. Well done. What about this time? This one's a little bit trickier. Here is a pond. The treasure, is it in the pond? Is it on the pond? Or is it under the pond? That is a tricky one. We might get a little bit muddled here and think that the treasure is on the pond. But it's really hard for this treasure box to sit on top of the water. So when we can see the treasure here, we say it is in the pond. Is that what you said? Well done if you got that right. It is a really tricky one. Okay, here we have a little map and the treasure is hiding inside the map. Your job is to try and find it. Don't forget about all those words that we learned about at the beginning. We have a plant, another plant, a lily, a bridge, and the pond. Let's see if you can work out where the treasure is. Is it in something? Is it on something? Or is it under something? Pause the video and talk to your grown-up about where the treasure is. Then come back and we'll search for it together. Okay, did you find the treasure? Where did you find it? Ah, I can see the treasure here. And here is the bridge. But where is the treasure? Is it in the bridge? Is it on the bridge? Or is it under the bridge? That's right. The treasure is on the bridge. Well done if you got that right. What about this time? Where is the treasure hiding now? Have a look with your grown-up. Is the treasure in something? Is it on something? Or is it under something? Pause the video while you have a look and use one of those words to tell your grown-up where the treasure is. Then come back and we'll search for it together. Did you find the treasure? Where was it hiding? Let's have a little look. Oh, here is the treasure. And here is the lily. But is the treasure in the lily? Is it on the lily? Or is it under the lily? That's right. The treasure is on the lily. I hope it doesn't squash it. Well done if you got that right. Let's have a look at this one. This time it's a little bit trickier to find the treasure. Have a look really carefully. Is it in something? Is it on something? Or is the treasure hiding under something? Pause the video while you look for it. Then come back and we'll search for it together. Don't forget to use one of those special words to tell your grown-up where you found it. Okay, did you find the treasure? It was really tricky this time. Let's have a look. Oh, I can't see it over here. Or here. There it is. Here is the treasure. But where is it hiding? Here is the treasure, and here is the plant. Is the treasure in the plant? Is it on the plant? Or is it under the plant? That's right. The treasure is hiding under the plant. Well done if you got that right. Okay, here is your task for today. What I'd like you to do is draw a picture of your own treasure chest. Then see if you can place it in the following places. You need to place it on your head, in the sink, under the chair. Pause the video while you do all of those and then come back and I will swap it over so that you can see the next ones. Okay, now you've done that, let's have a look at the other side. This time you have to place it under your foot, on the chair and in the cupboard. Don't forget to take a picture or a video of you placing your treasure chest in these different places. Then send it to your teacher so we can see how you're getting along. That's the end of our maths lesson for today. See you tomorrow.